Hi guys! If your teeth need a little brightening, but you'd prefer to skip whitening treatments, you are in luck. Here are some natural remedies for whiter teeth that you may already have in your kitchen. Strawberries. They may stain your shirt, but they could work to whiten teeth. Since they contain an enzyme called malic acid, try mashing up strawberries and rubbing them on your teeth. Leave for 5 minutes, then rinse with water and brush and floss as usual. Or crush the strawberry to a pulp, then mix with lemon juice until blended. Use a soft toothbrush to spread the mixture onto your teeth. Leave on for 5 minutes. Then brush thoroughly with toothpaste to remove the berry, baking soda mix. Rinse. A little floss will help get rid of any strawberry seeds. You can apply once a week. Oranges. When it comes to tooth health, the peel is more valuable than the fruit. Orange peels, contrary to popular belief, are not acidic like the rest of the orange. The fruit's peel contains vitamin C variants, presenting an alternative to harsh teeth whiteners. Wash the peel thoroughly and rub the white, inner part of the peel across the surface of your teeth to help minimize plaque and tackle tartar buildup. Banana peel. Bananas provide you with many essential nutrients needed for your body. Many people use banana peels for their compost pile. Well, next time, instead of throwing them for your compost pile, use your banana peel and rub it on your teeth for 2 minutes. After 15 minutes, you will want to brush your teeth using regular toothpaste. You should repeat this process 2 to 3 times a week. After a few weeks, you will be able to see results. Garlic. Everyone has a love or hate relationship with garlic, as it is delicious in foods but leaves your breath smelling frightful. But even though it gives you bad breath, did you know about garlic for teeth care? If you needed another reason to love garlic, this is a great way to add garlic for your oral care. Garlic contains antibacterial properties that aid in lowering the activity of bacteria in the mouth that cause tooth decay and bad breath. Allicin is one of the major components in garlic. It has been shown to aid against oral flora imbalance by helping to keep bad bacteria at bay, which can contribute to dental diseases. Garlic also contains antifungal and antiviral properties which help promote strong and healthy teeth and gums. It also is a source of prebiotic fiber, which is good for the teeth and supports proper digestion. Crush the garlic, then mix with lemon juice, salt, and toothpaste until blended. Brush your teeth with it gently and let it stay for a few minutes before rinsing completely with pure water. Brush your teeth twice daily. A great way to keep your mouth healthy and your teeth white is to brush your teeth twice a day. Remember to brush your tongue too. Bacteria may build up on the back of your tongue, spreading to your teeth and causing discoloration. Coffee, tea, red wine, and some soda can all stain your teeth and darken your smile. Eat raw vegetables and fruits. While you know raw veggies and fruits are healthy for your body, they are also good for your teeth. When you crunch on raw vegetables and fruits, your mouth produces more saliva, washing away bacteria and whitening teeth naturally. I hope you liked my video. Thank you and don't forget to subscribe.